Today we are making a powder cream of soup. This is going to be a basic cream of soup that you can turn into cream of mushroom, cream of celery, or cream of chicken. I make this and store it in our pantry. It helps us save time and money from not buying those cans of cream of soups. So let's turn around here and get started on making our pantry staple cream of soup. Today I'm restocking my pantry of my cream of soup powder mix base. I'm going to show y'all on today's video how to make this standard cream of powder base soup that you can turn into cream of celery, cream of mushroom, cream of chicken. So let's turn around here and we're going to get started on making this pantry staple that'll save you time and money. Okay, to start with, you're going to measure you out 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour. And now I'm going to use my pastry blender to just mix in my flour and get all the little lumps out. The next thing you're going to add is 1 cup of powdered milk. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of my chicken bouillon powder. If you had the chicken bouillon cubes, you could crush those up and use those also. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And making this with your stuff that you already have in your pantry makes it simple and easy to make, to restock your pantry with your cream of soup mix without having to buy those cans. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt, and a big heaping teaspoon of parsley flakes. And I'm going to crumble those a little bit so it will be a little bit fine. And now we're just going to blend all of our powder mixture together. And now you're going to need a mason jar or either an airtight container to keep it in. I'll be putting mine in the mason jar. And now we're going to show you how to cook up a can of cream of soup that you would use in place of the canned store-bought. And this right here don't have all those bad ingredients in it. You know exactly what's going into your cream of soup. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of butter to our pan. I measured out 1 1/4 cup of water while my butter's melting. And then for your cream of soup base mix, you're going to add 1/3 cup for this recipe. That's what it takes for 1 can. I measured out my 1/3 cup of the powder mix. And if you're making a bigger casserole or, you know, a bigger dinner and you need more, just double your recipe for this. We're going to go ahead now and add our powder. And now we're going to go ahead and add our water mixture to the powder. And now you'll need you a little whisk. And just whisk it together. And that'll help you blend in those little lumps, so you don't have that in your cream of soup mixture. Now at this point, if you wanted it to be cream of mushroom, you could go ahead and add your mushrooms. Or if you was planning on it to be in a cream of celery, add your little celery pieces. You could either use dehydrated mushrooms and celery or even fresh. And today we're restocking our pantry. We'll just let that cook for a minute. And it don't take but just a few minutes for it to thicken up. You could even make this in big batches and can it. Okay, that's what it looks like. And as it cools, it will thicken up even more. Oh, it smells good, y'all, with all the garlic and onions powder and parsley. Woo. This right here would even be good in cream of potato soup. So this is the simple, easy cream of soup based powder mix. I hope y'all give this a try and stock your pantry with it. It'll help you save time and money. I hope you give this a try, and if you like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.